If you ask me, I am really looking forward to the Tab S8 Ultra, especially with this massive 14.6-inch 120Hz OLED screen. Oh yes, don't know really why, but I want to see this one. 12GB of RAM, 12,000 mAh for the battery, 45-watt fast charging, and of course the S Pen is included. You must own an iPad. Only kidding, only kidding. Can you imagine those slim bezels on the Tab S8 Ultra? And Samsung is working on that new technology we discussed already. It's called BRS, Border Reduction Structure, which is this new bezel-less technology, and we will see this on the Tab S8 Ultra, but also on all the other flagship models Samsung is releasing, like the S22 Ultra. Prerequisite for this pleasure is not just paying for the Tab S8 Ultra, but also getting one. Sadly so, a new report out of South Korea suggests that the Tab S8 Ultra will be in short supply at launch, but it doesn't stop here. And I quote, "It is said that only a very small amount will be released, full stop. In particular, it will only be released in very few regions, also only with a small number of production units." Ouch! And if this isn't enough, it even says that after the launch and the limited release, there will be no further production units of the Tab S8 Ultra, full stop. Ouch again. I don't know about you, but it sounds like Samsung isn't either sure of the device or it has to reprioritize due to the worldwide chip shortage, meaning that when they release the free versions of the Tab S8, they really have to focus on the device that will go mainstream in terms of selling the most. And they simply have to make sure that that one or the two maybe that will sell the most are available, not just at launch, but at all times. However, the official reason mentioned in the leak is that the production cost, the cost of the display is simply too high, and therefore the margin of that device, of the Tab S8 Ultra, when Samsung is going out and will sell this, is just not lucrative enough for the company to really invest any more. So as of today, the plan is that the Tab S8 Ultra will be released in selected markets only. The Tab S8 Ultra will be released in low quantity, in limited quantities only, and probably just to show the world, yes, we can do this. And not really what we expected, because I really want one, and a lot of you guys in the comment sections, you told me that you're really looking forward to this device. So let me know if you still look forward to this device, but not really what we want. So if Samsung is listening, we want a vast amount of Tab S8 Ultra to be available and to be purchased by us. But hey, the Unpacked Event Part 2 is coming up now in a couple of days. Always remember, we don't know until we know, although the person who is leaking that is pretty reliable thus far. So make sure you like and subscribe to be part of this awesome community. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I miss you. Peace out.